Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 30th April. And first of all, national news. AAP claimed poll body has banned its Lok Sabha election campaign song. After over 4-month ban, center allowed onion exports to 6 neighboring countries. Sangh Parivar never opposed reservations, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat amid draw. Take precautions, scorching heat wave warning in east and southern states. Congress named candidates for 2 Lok Sabha, 8 assembly seats in Odisha. Drawn from Pakistan recovered in Punjab's Tarn Taran. And now some international news. Ukraine pulled back from 3 villages in east. Zelensky pleaded for weapons. More arrests on US universities' campuses as Gaza protested continue. White House urged peaceful campus protest after hundreds arrested. Operation Save Rishi aims to get him through key vote. Days after postponing India trip, Elon Musk headed to China. And now some sports news. IPL 2024, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Tushar Deshpande guided Chennai Super Kings to easy win. Arsenal survived Tottenham, fight back to boost Premier League title charge. Champion Carlos Alcaraz passed test of fire to reach Madrid Open last 16. Jewel for Indian cricket, Ravi Shastri's stamp for Rajasthan Royals star. Business related news. After over 4-month ban, center allowed onion exports to 6 neighboring countries. RBI laid out roadmap for small lenders to achieve universal bank status. RBI issued draft rules on digital lending to give borrowers a better deal. Science related news. Vintage Voyager 1 got reboot, data restored after 1977 computer glitch fixed. Most promising indication of life on another planet found courtesy James Webb. And that's all in news. Thank you.